Hi, my name is Crypto Sport, and in this video, I'll go through the latest crypto developments. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, currently sitting at 373 subscribers, hoping to hit the 1,000 mark as soon as possible. So, slight disclaimer: this video might not be popular with people, but I do think it's an important topic to debate. Should we say? It's the right word I'm looking for. But I wanted to go through Binance, and is it on the verge of collapse? Before we get started, I just want to do a quick roundup of the crypto prices currently. So we see Matic pretty stable around 0.65 pounds, 65 pence. See Bitcoin trading around 16,785. It's been in that range, 16,900, 16,700 for the last 2 days. So it's been pretty stable. See small coins, altcoins like Trias holding up pretty well compared to the market. We've seen ZIL hit all-time lows almost last couple of days. ZIL was trading at 17. It's now at 0.18. So we see ZKS dropping to 0.44. We see Veracity at 0.2596. So prices are dropping steadily. Focus of this video will be Binance, so we'll touch base on the Binance price, which is currently trading at $242. All-time low of 184. So I just wanted to cover the Binance FUD recently. So Binance have been in the in and around, shall we say. So Binance have been reaching out to users. I've had a lot of friends reach out to me saying to complete your source of wealth verification. So source of wealth is typically a KYC check that a lot of exchanges carry out. It's not just typical to exchanges. It's the same with marketplaces. It's a way for customers to basically to verify that there's no money laundering going on, etc. Binance actually asked for me personally to do this in 2021, so I find it very strange they're doing it again. The checks at the time were very quick, took a day almost to process. These checks have been in process now for 3 or 4 days. At one point, I was told that I passed a check, and then afterwards, I was told I wasn't. So yeah, we saw in December a couple of weeks ago over 5 billion was withdrawn from Binance. So a lot of money has been withdrawn from Binance. So it's worth noting that Binance, the CFO, hasn't seen their books. So this is something I wanted to share. So Binance former chief finance officer did not have access to the company's full accounting records during his 3 years there. Um, so I don't understand why. It's a bit of a straightforward question. Why didn't he get access to the books for an audit? And during the audit, they have been quite transparent, but I don't know if something's. So yeah, this is a good article here. So it's a nice summary of Binance. Basically, no one knows anything: location, who the top executives are, the balance sheet, the policies, including strangely Binance's chief finance officer at times. CZ claims himself. Most people are asking the wrong question. In my opinion, the right question is: can we guess if Binance is solvent right now? Will it be around 2 years? The question is: how much? How would a company? How would I charge a company to borrow my money if refusing to provide a standard information or guarantees? Which is a fair point. They're asking customers for KYC checks. What checks have they done on themselves? You can lend today to a diverse basket of investment grade companies with audited and transparent finances at plus 6%. To lend to one company without transparency and this legal context, you'll probably get charged 25% and not more. So are you getting paid enough? The article goes on basically. It's a good report. This one, it's from the Reuters, obviously the news website. It just looks like a black box. The world's biggest crypto exchange, Binance, is battling to shore up confidence after a surge in customer withdrawals and a steep drop in the value of its digital token. The exchange said it dealt with net outflows of around 6 billion over the last 72 hours. This was 2 weeks ago. It's a 19-minute read the article. I won't go through all of it, but essentially they haven't been forthcoming with their information. Binance's huge role in the crypto market accounts for over half of the trading volume, has made its operations a key topic of US regulations. The company is under investigation by the US Justice Department for possible money laundering and sanction violations. I do think this is the reason why they're calling another KYC round check. That some prosecutors believe they've gathered sufficient evidence to charge Binance and some top executives. In an effort to look inside Binance books, Verge has reviewed filings by Binance units in 14 jurisdictions where the exchange on its website says it's regulated licenses. These locations include several European Union states, Dubai and Canada. Ziho has described the authorization as milestones in Binance's journey to be fully licensed and regulated. The filing shows that unit appears to be submitted scant information about Binance's business to authorities. The public filings do not show, for example, how much money flows between the units and the Binance.com exchange. So it's just worth reading it. It said that it just seems to be a lot of misanswered questions. The price at the moment is quite stable. Let's see what happens. It'd be interesting to know if you've been asked for source of wealth checks, how they're going on. But I think it's an important topic to discuss or debate, shall we say. I know on Twitter there's people like making sides. Oh, are you on Binance's side or you're not? Obviously, it's in everyone's interest that Binance does stay afloat. But if the US Justice Department is after them, like they obviously need to answer questions. And also, I think they need to make their KYC checks a bit more easier for customers. Let me know your comments below. If you found the video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I hope to see you all shortly.